Hi everyone, this is Piotr Kieszkowski from the Aquarium Television Definite Aquascape TV, and this is a short review of the book Aquascaping Handbook for New Aquascapers, written by Oliver Knott. The book was released by the Dane Verlag from Germany. There are both German and English versions. For this review I received the English version. Here you can see a table of contents. The most important chapters are basic beginner's knowledge, brief summary of water chemistry, setting up an aquascape step by step, and the chapter maintenance. The idea of this book is very simple. It shows the beginner how to do a nice aquascape in some of most common typical aquarium kits available on the market. Kit 1 is a classic 54-liter starter kit, dimensions 60 by 30 by 30 centimeters, manufactured by Vitacraft. Kit 2 is NanoCube 60 tank, dimensions 38 by 38 by 43 centimeters, manufactured by Dennerle. And Kit 3 is AquaPro 60 XL tank, dimensions 60 by 35 by 40 centimeters, manufactured by Eheim. Before showing how to set up an aquascape, Oliver presents some basic beginner's knowledge. There are informations about placement of aquarium, about equipment like filtration, lighting and heating, as well as about CO2 systems. There is a chapter about substrates, about hardscape, which is rocks and driftwood. There are also some informations about rules of arranging rocks, as you can see here on the left side. There are also some infos about planting and about aquarium plants. The next chapter is about water chemistry. It contains good basic explanation of what's going on in your aquarium's water in terms of chemistry. And here is probably the most important chapter, setting up an aquascape, presented step by step. The first example is Kit 1 and layout based on rocks and on stringy moss. All important steps of creating such layout are shown on pictures. This is how this aquascape looks 3 months after setting up. This is the second example, NanoCube 60, arranged with lots of plants. And this is how it looks 3 months after setting up. And this is the third example, Kit 3, which is a rather sophisticated composition with rocks and grass-like plants on the bottom. I think it's a good idea that Oliver shows how the aquascapes look after 3 months, because it helps the beginner to understand that an aquascape needs time to develop fully. It needs time to be nicely overgrown by plants. And this is the second most important chapter about maintenance, with description of all activities required for maintaining the aquarium in good condition. And finally, there is also a list of all plants used in the exemplary aquascapes, and also a list of various species of animals which can be kept in the described aquascapes. And in the end of the book, there are some pictures of other aquascapes made by Oliver Knott, which are very inspiring and encourage the reader for deepening the knowledge about aquascaping. Okay guys, so now the final verdict about this book. It shows how to make an aquascape in an easy and understandable way. If you are a beginner, you will find lots of useful information about what is available on the market, what is needed for aquascaping, how to make an aquascape, and how to care for it for a longer time. And all these informations are presented in a very clear and encouraging way. So all in all, I can definitely recommend Aquascaping by Oliver Knott for all beginners who want to begin their adventure in this interesting hobby. If you want to read a more detailed review of the book, look at the description below the video. And now, thank you for your attention. This was Piotr Kieszkowski from the Aquarium Television Definite Aquascape TV.